let me change it one sec. Now it's okay. Now voice is also okay. Now are you getting? Are you getting voice now? Yes? Okay. So very good, very good, right? So we'll be continuing our discussions on this, you can say, right? Which one we were discussing? That highway, na? Isn't it? Right. So here, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So this is your highway quick revision series. We'll be continuing, you can say, right? Now, so this is my profile. You can follow me Twitch, and this is a referral code you have to use, all of you. And these are all GATE 2023 toppers from which one? Unacademy. GATE 2024 toppers, right? Not 2023. GATE 2024 toppers from Unacademy, you can say. Those who got first rank in all branches. Supriya, good morning. Now, this is the scholarship test we'll be having, all of you. So when will be the scholarship test, right? On this 21st April it will be there. So don't miss this, right? At 11 AM on 21st April it will be there, right? Don't miss this, all of you. Now, here these are the latest batches going on, right? Droppers to toppers batch and Aarambh batch for this 2026 also going on. And when you are taking this iconic subscription, right, these are all the books you'll be getting in your printed books you'll be getting to your address within 15 days of your subscription. Okay. Now coming to this, so what is the part we have discussed, right? So we were the bituminous materials we were discussing. If you just observe, right, that bituminous materials we are discussing. Yes, Shruti, good morning. One sec. So where is our bituminous materials, right? This vertical alignment, valley curves and everything gets over, na? Right. Highway materials, that chapter soil also gets over, you can say. And which one comes, which one over now again? So this aggregate impact test gets over, is no? Aggregate impact test over, aggregate tests on this aggregate also over. Now this bituminous materials we have started, already if you just observe. So which materials we have started? This is chapter 13, that bituminous materials we have started, you can say, right? So under this bituminous materials also, right, which topics we have completed? If you just observe, we have completed these topics, no? Is or no? So penetration test is over. So penetration test purpose and specific gravity, water content, loss on heating, ductility test, these are all over, right? Again, what is the next one? Flash point test, fire point test over. Next, softening point test over, viscosity test over, is not? Now viscosity grading of this bitumen, right? And how to define this, right? Vg, some Vg Xc is given, right? How to define its grade, right? So what is the viscosity range, right? These are all the things we have done now, is or no? I'm just revising. The slides are moving or slides are not moving for you, all of you? Slides are moving or slides are not moving? This road tar slides are not moving. Arey yaar. One sec. Why this happens? One sec, let me. Now it's okay, everyone? Now just tell me, are these moving now? Now they're okay now? Is that no? Right. Okay. So which test we have done? I'll just do a recap, because we have discussed almost 18 days back now. So that's why I'm just recapping. So this bitumen, how it is obtained? Penetration value we have seen. Is now purpose of this penetration test is specific gravity, water content, loss on heating, ductility, and also which one we have seen? Next one, flash point test, fire point test, is not? Softening point, viscosity. Dheeraj, good morning. Today actually I forgot to schedule the song class. I forgot to schedule, right? It will be there tomorrow, okay? From tomorrow onwards it will be there. I thought I have scheduled, but I did not schedule, Shruti. Okay, tomorrow it will be there, don't worry. So this viscosity grading of bitumen, all these things, right? Kinematic viscosity, purpose of viscosity, right? Road tar, different grades of this road tar and use of this road tar, asphalt, right? Up to this 197 we have done, if you just say is now today's class, quick revision of which one? This is a highway engineering, that bituminous materials, you can say, if you just right is now. So 197 gets over. Now we'll be going for which one? This 198 is now. So anyone having any doubts in those discussions previously, all of you? Anyone having any doubts in those previous discussions, everyone? Any doubts anywhere, all of you? If any doubts now, we'll just I'll just clear those doubts, right? If no doubts now, we'll proceed to our discussions further. Any doubts? Anyone? No doubts? Paka? Okay. So if no doubts, right, what is the, you can say, if you just observe that yeah, Supriya, tell me. Right. Tell me, Supriya. Yes, yeah. Yeah, SCA also will be doing quick revision. Plus course. In plus course, SSCJE, are you talking about? Are you talking about that one? Yes, yes, it is over. Yes, it's over already. Yes, it's over already. You did not attend the classes, but it is over already. Okay. Yes, I have taken classes. You just refer those. Okay. You go to that course page now. You will be getting which one? All those things you will be getting. Don't worry. Right. All the lectures, whichever the lectures you attended and whichever the lectures you did not attend, they will be shown. Okay. Matrix methods. Matrix methods will be your last chapter, you can say, right? Matrix methods will be your last chapter. Okay. Right. No. Okay. Yeah, you listen in the recorded then. Okay. So now what is that we are going for this cutback? So did we discuss about this cutback or we did not discuss about this cutback? Tell me. Did we discuss about this cutback or we did not discuss about this cutback? You can say, right? We did not discuss about this cutback now. Is that no? What is that cutback bitumen, if you just observe? Okay, okay. So did we discuss about this cutback or we did not discuss about this cutback, all of you? We did not discuss about this cutback na? So no, we did not discuss about this cutback, you can say, right? What is the meaning of this cutback? Tell me, all of you. What is the meaning of this cutback, all of you? What is the meaning of this cutback? Tell me. Cutback is the bitumen only, no? So which type of bitumen, if you just observe? It is a bitumen whose viscosity is reduced by this curing process, na? Is that no? Whose viscosity is reduced by which one, you can say? Whose viscosity gets reduced by which one? This whose viscosity gets reduced, you can say, right? So that reduction of this viscosity and making it dry, it is called with which name, you can say? That process is called as your what? That process is called as your curing, is not? So cutback, it is the bitumen whose viscosity, right? What is it, you can say? Whose viscosity reduced, right? What is the meaning of this whose viscosity reduced? That viscosity reduction is called as whose viscosity is reduced by means of which one? A volatile diluent, na? By means of which one? By means of a volatile diluent. What is the meaning of this volatile diluent? Tell me. Volatile diluent means, right, that should be present continuously or that should be eliminated, that should be subjected to evaporation after some time. Tell me. That should be subjected to this evaporation after some time, na? That should be subjected to this evaporation after some time, right? So this viscosity reduction is called with which name? That curing process, na? The viscosity reduction process is called as which one? This is a curing process, you can say. Now tell me, what are these various types of this cutback bitumen you are having, if you just observe? 199, you can say, right? We are nearby the double century, right? So what are the different cutbacks, you can say? 3 types of this cutbacks. What are these 3 types? Tell me, everyone. The first and foremost one is what? Rapid curing cutback, na? Rapid curing cutback, you call it as or not? Yes, absolutely, right? Viscosity reduced means, right? Shruti, tell me, viscosity will be present in which condition? Tell me. Viscosity will be present. Yeah, no. It is becoming dry. Viscosity is present in which condition? Tell me. Viscosity is present in this liquid condition or viscosity is present in this solid dry condition? Tell me. It is present in this liquid condition only, na? Yes or no? Liquid condition. Now, here, if that bitumen is in the liquid condition only after mixing with aggregates and placing over the road also, what will happen? Every vehicle will take some amount of bitumen along with that, na? Is it good or it is not a good condition? Tell me then. It is not a good condition, na? So then what happens if we just observe? What happens then? We have to make it dry or not? Yes, we have to make it dry. So that process of making it dry called as which one? This curing. Is not understood? So once it becomes dry, viscosity will not be there, but friction will be there. Na? Solid surface, what is it will be having? Viscosity will be having or friction will be having? Friction will be having, you can say. Got it now? So that is your rapid curing, that first one. Second one is what? That medium curing, you can say. What is that medium curing? MC, right? Rapid curing, RC. It is not that RC which you are taking daily. It is rapid curing. Now, slow curing. What is that slow curing? You can say SC. Means, I did not get it. This class not able to attend special means what? This is done only in YouTube, right? Not in the special. Okay. I told you already, quick revision of this highway. No, this is special class is not there. Only YouTube class is there for the quick revision. I told you already, right? Already some 13 classes we have taken. Last class on March 31st we have taken. 13 quick revision classes are done. I told you already, quick revision classes will be doing in the YouTube and a live test will be doing in which one? This is special, okay, for this highway. And for Somna, SSC JE goal it is going on. In SSC JE goal it will be SSC JE, State AE JE, English goal it will be going on. So it will be live streaming in the YouTube and special class at a time. That is different. Okay, there only live test. Okay, quick revisions I'll be starting just before your examination. Right, mostly May 20th like that I'll start the quick revision sessions for all subjects of mine. Okay, there, don't worry. So until that, what I'll be doing? Questions I'll be doing. You can say, okay. It got stuck. Yeah. So medium curing and this is slow curing. You can say, right? Medium curing and which one? Medium curing and this is slow curing. If you just observe, all right. Now, coming to this. So when you can get this rapid curing, when it is mixed with which one? Naphtha, or if you are using this gasoline, naphtha, or if you are using this gasoline, then it will be resulting in this rapid curing, right? Means that a curing process will happen very fastly or very slowly. Tell me. Rapid curing means that a curing process will happen very fastly. That is the meaning of it, right? And when you will be getting that medium curing, suppose if you are using this kerosene or which one? This is a light diesel oil, no? Kerosene or which one? This is a light diesel oil if you are using, then that is your medium curing, right? Now when it will become this slow curing, if you just observe, if you are using this high boiling point liquid, high boiling point liquid means it will be evaporating easily or it will not be evaporating easily? Tell me. It will not be evaporating easily, na? High boiling point liquid or which one? Furnace oil. Any one of these two if you are using, na, then it will be resulting in which one? Tell me. Slow curing. Slow curing means that curing process will be very slow, na? That curing process will be very slow, you can say, right? Is that? So now what is it you can say? It is mainly for which purpose? You can say that a rapid curing is used for which purpose? Surface dressing. Just doing a makeup for this road on the top now after construction. For that purpose we are doing surface dressing. And which one? This is patchwork only. What is the meaning of this patchwork? Patch repair work, na? Chota mota small types of these repairs are there, right? They will be used, right? That is a type of oil, right? It is also a type of oil, right, which is obtained by the furnaces, right? So we'll be having various types of these furnaces, na? That blacksmith and various places furnaces will be having, na? From those furnaces you'll be getting that oil, you can say, okay? or it is used in those, right? The oil which is used in those places, you can say, that is your furnace oil. Actually, it is also obtained by which process? Tell me, furnace oil obtained by which process? Anyone having idea? Anyone? Anyone having idea? Furnace oil obtained from? It is also obtained from this crude oil only. Okay. So if you remember in our plus class, I have given at different temperatures that different things will be getting. At a greater than 370 degrees centigrade, that residue you will be getting it as a bitumen, right? And furnace oil also you will be getting, you can say, right? Furnace oil also you will be getting from which one? This is crude oil only. Okay. It is also obtained from which one? This is crude oil only. That fractional distillation of this crude oil only will give which one? Furnace oil, you can say, is not? So petroleum refineries, or simply you can say that furnace oil is a byproduct of this petroleum refineries. Okay. So it is a byproduct, means it is a main product or it is a secondary product. It is a secondary product, na? Byproduct of which one? This petroleum refineries. Right? Petroleum, which one? These are refineries. Okay, like that you can say. Okay, like that. So now medium curing rate. What is the purpose of this medium curing? You can say, if you just observe that medium curing will be useful for which purpose? Tell me, anyone? Anyone having idea? It is for pre-mixing. It is for premix of which one? This is a small quantity of this aggregates, na? Yes. Premix of this a small quantity of these aggregates. Yes, which case correct, right? What is the meaning of this premixing? Tell me. Premixing is nothing but it is a cast in situ condition or precast condition. Tell me. So we are mixing the bitumen and all these things we are mixing previously. And what is that we are doing? We are bringing it here, right? Yes, no? We are bringing it to the site after some time. Yes, no? So that is your pre-mixing, you can say, right? In the plant will be mixing and will be bringing here after some time, na? Yes or no? So suppose if the plant is far away, it should get cured immediately mixing, or it should not get cured immediately, you can say. It should not get cured immediately, na? Yes or no? It should not get cured immediately, you can say, isn't it? So it has to be slow curing, or it has to be this medium curing, you can say. Now for this slow curing rate, what is that you are getting? If you just observe for this slow curing, all of you, that is slow curing, it is also for which purpose, you can say, premix with higher quantity of this fine aggregate or not? Why higher quantity? Whenever you are having this higher quantity, so suppose over this 1 kilometer distance you wanted to use it, right? So during that time you have to wait for some time, no? Is or no? After bringing to the site also, when large quantity is mixed and you are bringing it to the site, and a large quantity we have to place it on the position, then it will take more time or it will take less time? It will take more time, no? Whenever it is taking more time, until that time that bituminous mix will be in the liquid condition only, na? Plastic condition only, na? How it is possible? Only by means of this slow curing it is possible, or only by means of this fast curing it is possible? Only by means of this slow curing it is possible, na? Yes or no? So pre-mixing of which one? This is large quantities of this fine aggregate. Understood now? Pre-mixing of this large quantities of which one? This is fine aggregate. Okay. Pre-mixing of this large quantities of this fine aggregate, right? Noted this one, everyone? Note this and tell me. Done, everyone? Everyone done, all of you? Right. Okay. Now I will be moving on to this next one, you can say. I told you now, just you can maintain this one, right? That is sufficient enough, right? You note it from here, right? That itself will become your which one? This is short notes, you can say. Do you need to maintain any separate short notes or not? No, this will be acting like your short notes for your quick revision. Okay, just before the test or whatever it is, right? Yes. That payment curing means what? That payment curing means what? Which one you can say? Uh, Making it dry. Yes, that is what. Now it is visible. Shruti, check it. Large. Now it is visible. Okay. Just a large only missing. Small, large. Yeah, I have seen your message. I have answered your message also, na? Yes, for payment curing only. That is what I said, na? To make the payment, to make the bituminous mix dry. Answered, na? Already. Alright. Now, so here, because whenever you are mixing this bitumen, we will be mixing in the liquid condition. But if it is bitumen, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, filler material, all you are mixing in which one? All you are mixing in the wet condition, liquid condition of the bitumen. So suppose if that bitumen is continued to be in the liquid condition, everything will go off along with the vehicles, right? Then what is that we need to do? So we need to make it dry now. How can you make it dry? By means of this curing process. So for that volatile diluent we have to use it. Okay. Now, so here what happens as that number increases? Yeah, tell me, Shruti. Okay, you have to be careful. Yeah, you click on this live, everyone. So as the number increases, right, what happens? You can say that viscosity increases now. As the number increases, that viscosity increases now. See here, already that also I have explained. So see here, whenever you are having this large quantity is there. So large quantity you are mixing in the mixing plant and you are bringing it to the site. So for placing this large quantity of this bitumen, it will take less time or it will take more time, tell me. For placing in the position, it will take more time or it will take less time, tell me. It will take more time now. So until you are placing some portion, until you are placing some amount of bitumen, other amount of bitumen should be in the plastic or this liquid condition only now. Is that no? Until you are mixing, it should be in the plastic condition only now. Is that no? Until you are placing the complete bitumen, the last part of this bituminous mix also should be in the liquid condition. It should not become dry immediately. It should not become dry immediately means that becoming dry is a curing. It should not become dry means it should be done very slowly or it should be done very fastly, tell me. In this drum itself, whatever it is that you are having, that RMC plant, that ready mix concrete, if you just observe, that ready mix concrete wall, if you just observe it, what happens you can say. So they'll be attaching some drum na, is that no? In that drum concrete they'll be carrying from plant to this site na. Similarly, you will be carrying the bituminous concrete also, bituminous mix also from plant to this site. So now, when more quantity you are bringing means, it will take more time to which one? It will take more time for which purpose? It will take more time for placing it na. Then until half of the, suppose if you are going for rapid curing, after half of this bituminous mix is placed, remaining half will become dry. Will it come out of this drum then, or it will not come out of this drum? It will not come out of this drum now. It is safe or it is dangerous then? It is dangerous. It is of no use now. Entire bituminous mix will get wasted. So until you are pouring entire bitumen, that should be in the plastic condition only na. How can you ensure that is in the plastic condition? For a long time. For a long time it should be in the plastic condition or liquid condition by adding this high boiling point or liquid or this furnace oil, so that it will not get cured immediately. It will take more time to get cured. Understood? Clear now, Sudhi? Everyone, others also. Right. So as the number increases, what happens? Viscosity increases now. So now tell me, what is it you can say? Means more time for curing we have to ensure, right? More time it should be, yes, more time for curing we have to ensure. So now what is it you can say? Same number means what? Yes, the same number means what? Same strength, same viscosity. No? Same number is nothing but your same viscosity. Yes. So now, generally if you just observe, RC2, MC2 and SC2, they will be having the same viscosity or different viscosity? Tell me. They will be having this same viscosity or they will be having this different viscosity? They will be having this same viscosity, absolutely, no? Is that no? They will be having this same viscosity, absolutely, we can say. Now, what is the difference then? Same viscosity only, but if you are adding, suppose you take 150 milliliter of this bitumen of some viscosity, and in the first 50 milliliter you will add which one? This naphtha or gasoline, then it will become which one? This RC2. Now in the second 50 milliliter, if you are adding this kerosene or light diesel oil, right, you will be getting this MC2, right? If you are adding high boiling point liquid or furnace oil, then you will be getting this SC2. Got it now? Is it clear? So this kind of amount viscosity will be same, but curing speed is different. Okay, curing speed is different, right? Now if you just observe for an example, what is the viscosity grade of which one is higher? Tell me. RC2 will be higher or RC1 is higher? RC2 is higher than this RC1. RC1 is higher than which one? This RC0. And SC2 will be higher or which one? SC2 will be higher than this RC1. It is greater than this MC0. Now just you check the number only, right? So whether it is RC or MC or SC does not matter, right? Is it clear now? That MC2 will be higher than which one? This MC1 it is greater than which one? This what is it you can say? SC2 SC0, right? Like that, is not? Zero means very small viscosity. 1 means what? A little bit higher viscosity. 2 means higher. 3 means further higher. 4 is further higher, right? Instead of using the number 0, 1, 2, 3 designated as more viscosity. Yes, that is the meaning of it, right? There are different grades. RC2 grade, in this rapid curing also various grades are there. RC0 grade, RC1 grade, RC2 grade, RC3 grade, RC4, RC5, like the different grades are there. What is the meaning of this numbering? Higher number used for representation means higher viscosity. Lesser number used for representation means that lesser viscosity, right? That is the meaning of it. Got it now? Understood? Understood? Okay. So now, so we'll be going for this, right? So here, how can you say that you require more viscosity? It depends again. It depends. If it is a hot climate conditions, you require this more viscosity. Actually, what we require is it is depending upon the location again, right? If it is a cold region, like Himalayas, if you are using that high viscosity, it will be acting like which one? This is stone. Can you able to mix? Can you able to mix, or we cannot be able to mix? You can say we cannot be able to mix, we cannot be able to mix. You can say, if you just right, we cannot be able to mix, right? So now suppose if it is hot climate conditions, high viscosity one, we can use it, no problem, right? Like that, is not? It is again depending upon the climate conditions. High viscosity one or low viscosity one, we have to use it, right? Alright, these are all points we have mentioned in the previous quick revision classes. I think all of you not completed, right? Okay. So now, what is the asphalt? You can say, if you just observe, or before we go to this asphalt, right? Before we go for this asphalt, right? What is it you can say? First we'll look at which one? This differences between which one? Differences between this tar and this bitumen. Can we see? Can we compare this tar and bitumen, all of you? Tar and bitumen. Okay. We'll just compare this tar and bitumen. And after that, regarding asphalt, 1 point we'll write. Emulsion, did we write? I think we written. Okay. We'll write 1 point and it's over. Bitumen will get over. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, again day after tomorrow, right? I think road tar previously it gets over, right? Asphalt, just asphalt definition given. Okay. Yeah, you have to do it again and again, is not? Right. So tar and what is it you can say? Bitumen. So whenever it is a tar and this bitumen, right, the different properties will be having for this tar and this bitumen. Na? So what are these different properties will be having for this tar and bitumen? You can say the first and foremost property will be what? Color. So what is the color? Tell me. Color of this Thar will be in which manner? Okay, okay, no problem, Supriya, you can ask. But I'm just saying that you try to revise that regularly also. That is what I'm saying. Color. What is the color? Tell me. Color of bitumen is what? So color of tar is what? Okay, that is obtained. Okay, that color. Bitumen will be what? Bitumen will be which one? This is black to what? Dark brown. So not dark, dark. Okay, it is not a Dracula kind of thing. Yeah. So black to which one? This dark brown na in case of this bitumen. Now in case of this Thar, what is the color? Tell me. In case of this tar, tell me. What is the color of this tar? It is your brown or it is black? Tell me. It is your brown. Na? I told you one example also, if you just observe. So generally that a repair work potholes are created, they will be doing mostly with this Thar, if you just remember. It's not brown color mostly, right? Second one, produced, right? How it is produced? Tell me. How it is produced? If you just observe that production is based on which criteria? If you just observe, it is petroleum product or not? Tar is not ash color, right? Brown color, na? Yes or no? Brown color, Shruti. Petroleum product, right? What is the meaning of this petroleum? Oh, sorry, tar, na? Sorry, I'm writing in reverse. Tar and this is, sorry. Yeah, this bitumen is what? Obtained by this petroleum product, you can say. Petroleum product means, what is the meaning of this petroleum product, right? It is obtained by the fractional distillation or destructive distillation, you can say, if you just observe. That is obtained by the fractional distillation of this crude oil, na? So it is a petroleum product. Petroleum product means it is your fractional distillation, obviously, na? Yes or no? Fractional distillation. Now that is which one? Destructive distillation. It is obtained in a tar. Tar is obtained from which one? This is a destructive distillation or not? Yes, it is destructive distillation, you can say. What is the meaning of this destructive distillation? Destructive distillation means what? In the presence of oxygen or in the absence of oxygen? Tell me. In the absence of this oxygen, that is called as your destructive distillation, huh? Isn't it? Absence of this oxygen, you can say, right? Now coming to this side, what is the third difference? You can say, if you just observe. What is the third category? Ductility. So ductility, if you consider for this bitumen, tar and bitumen, right? Tar is having which one? This more ductility or less ductility, you can say. Tar is having this more ductility, and bitumen is having which one? This less ductility, you can say. Compare it to, okay? Comparatively, right? So this less ductility, more ductility will be comparative purpose, right? Now what is it? You can see, if you just observe. Yeah, okay. This one. Yeah, okay. Done. Okay. So what is the fourth property? You can see, if you just observe, carbon content. So what is the carbon content? You can say, in case of this Thar, na, more free carbon content. Na? Why? Because is it mixed with this oxygen? No. So more free carbon content is there, na? More free carbon content, right? So in case of this bitumen, it is your less free carbon content. Na? If you just observe, less free carbon content, if you just observe, that is what is, na? Now, next, shall we move on to the next point, all of you? Another difference. temperature susceptibility. What is that temperature susceptibility? If you just observe, the temperature susceptibility means what? Tar is what? More temperature affectable or less temperature susceptible, right? More temperature susceptible, na? So easily affected by this temperature, right? More temperature susceptible means easily affected by this temperature, right? Means easily affected, tar. So now this one, bitumen, less temperature susceptible. Now understood, that is why we are using which one? This bitumen compared to tar for more situations. Is not understood? Less temperature susceptible, you can say, right? Now the last point, solubility. Where these are soluble, tell me. Its solubility will be what? Soluble in what? Soluble in which one? This is a CS2, right? What is that CS2? Carbon disulfide, and this is a carbon tetrachloride, right? This is soluble in which, sorry, reverse. I'm writing for bitumen. This is soluble in which one? Tar is soluble in which one? This is toluene, na? Tar is soluble in which one? This is toluene, Toluene, toluene. What is the toluene? You can say that is your C7H8, na? Yes, this kind of questions only will be asked, right? So toluene, tar is soluble in toluene, and bitumen is soluble in which one? Bitumen is soluble in this carbon disulfide and this carbon tetrachloride, is not right? Yes. Now what is another one? You can say, just also specific gravity, na? What is the specific gravity of the star? 1.12, this 1.25, na? What is that specific gravity of this bitumen? 0.972, which one? This 1.02, na? Like that. Is that clear now? Is it clear now the differences between this bitumen and this tar, all of you? 201 point. Clear everyone? Once clear, not done, once not tell. Right, done everyone? Alright. Next 202 point, if you just observe. Emulsion, did we write emulsion or not? Did we write anything about emulsion previously? Road grade, viscosity. I think emulsion we did not write anything, no? Okay, we did not write anything regarding emulsion. Asphalt we have done. But this emulsion we did not done, no? Listen, actually here itself I'll add this asphalt point. What is it now? Refined asphalt. So what is that a refined asphalt will be having? You can say that a refined asphalt will be having this composition, right? What is the composition? If you just observe, that bitumen will be your 52% plus what is that you are having? Inorganic matter, right? Already we have written asphalt. Instead of writing again, I am just adding that point here itself, right? Inorganic matter. What is that inorganic matter? How much it will be having? 38%. Plus what else will be having? That organic matter. Organic matter remaining how much? That is 10% only left, na? Is that no? Like that. Okay? Clear now? In the asphalt, where you are written this asphalt previously, right? You just add this asphalt there. Okay? Got it? No. Emulsion we did not write. So we'll write this emulsion point at 202. With this it gets over. Okay, one second. One second. I'll go back. So decomposition means that animal and this substance, a product of this animal and this vegetable substances will be having, okay? Mixture of what? Hydrocarbons. It is simply a which one? Hydrocarbons, na? So these are hydrocarbons will be having or not? What is that hydrocarbon if you just observe? Organic matter is nothing but your hydrocarbon only, no? That hydrocarbon only, right? Which hydrocarbon we are using if you just observe? We are using what you can say? Decomposition of this animal and this vegetable substances. Yes, right? Vegetable and animal substances. Okay? Like that. Right? Got it? Okay, at this point and tell me. Then we'll move on to this last point of this bitumen, that is emulsion. So day after tomorrow, we'll be discussing about this Marshall stability test. Okay, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, live test will be there on which one? This vertical alignment. We have to do some questions now. Tomorrow, live test will be there. Day after tomorrow, that again quick revision on this bituminous mix. After that, live test on this bituminous material. Okay. Emulsion rate, what is that emulsion? You can see if you just observe. Emulsion is a two-phase system or not? It is a two-phase system of what? Two immiscible liquids, na? What is the meaning of these immiscible liquids? Tell me. Mixable or non-mixable? Two immiscible liquids, we are keeping them together. That is a wonder, na? It's a non-mixable, immiscible means, right? Originally, they are not mixing, right? Supriya, tomorrow live test will be there. Right? Tomorrow live test will be there. Day after tomorrow, again topic. Okay? Immiscible liquids, if you just read, is na? So generally in this emulsion rate, what is it you can say? What is it you can say? 40 to 60% of what? 40 to 60% of this bitumen. Yeah, vertical alignment, last test tomorrow. Okay? Vertical alignment, last test tomorrow. Last test or one more test will be there. Bitumen or this tar will be there. Plus what is it you can say? Live test on vertical alignment, right? Vertical curves. That vertical curves we are doing na? Summit and valley curves. So plus remaining water na? Plus this remaining, which one? This water. So how we are holding these two? Tell me if you just observe. How we are holding these two? How we are holding these two if you just observe? Two immiscible liquids, right? Two immiscible liquids, when you are placing them together na, so that bitumen will be floating on which one? You can say that bitumen will be floating on, that bitumen will be floating on this water. When bitumen is floating on this water, right, we have to make it stable na? It should not float and it should not be taken away na? How can you make it stable? Tell me. That stability will be ensured by which one? Emulsifier na? Stability is ensured by what? By using an emulsifier. Okay. So these emulsifiers also, emulsifier, or you can also call it with which name? That is stabilizer, na? Emulsifier or this is stabilizer you can have, right? So these are different types. You can say anionic means they will be anionic in nature, no? Not the neutral, or cationic will be having, you can say. Anionic and this cationic also will be having or not, if you just observe it, isn't it? Is that clear? Now, so what are these different emulsion types we are having? We'll be having different types of these emulsions or not? Isn't it? Different types of these emulsions you can say, right? Isn't it? What are these different types of these emulsions you can say? What are the different types of these emulsions? Tell me. Bitumen emulsions, right? Bitumen emulsions. So one is based on the based on this which one we are using, right? Based on this emulsifying agent you are using, right? Type of this which one? Type of this emulsifying agent we are using, anionic or cationic. Okay. What is another classification? You can say if you just observe, rapid setting type will be there, right? Okay. right? Rapid setting type will be there, right? Rapid setting type, that RS type. Okay, so what is that RS type? If you just observe, right, this rapid setting type, so different grades we are having, RS1, RS2, same you are having now. So CRS1, CRS2, so on will be having now, like that continuation, right? So now what is it, you can say medium setting also will be there, right? Medium setting type, right? Medium setting type means that MS. So here generally what is the symbols we are giving? MS2, right? Next CMS2, like that will be having, you can say, right? Next, what is that? Third one, slow setting. Slow setting type means what? SS1. Okay, SS, which one? Different grades. SS1H we are having, and a CSS will be there, right? CSS1 and a CSS, which one? 1H, like that you are having. So these CSS are mentioned means, right, what is the meaning of this, right? These are which one? This is cationic, na? Nothing is mentioned, those are anionic, you can see if you just have read. So what are this first one? Anionic types. And C is mentioned na, right? What does it mean? Cationic type. Okay, in front C comes na, cationic type, right? No C comes na, anionic type, right? Like that. Suppose if at all the following, if at all there is a question is given, right? What is the question? Which of the following type of emulsion is anionic? CRS1, CMS2 and CSS1. Okay, these are the different grades you are having. These are, which of the following is cationic, right? Whichever is having that a C term in between, na, C term is there first, na, that is your cationic. Without C, those are your anionic. Okay, okay, got it? So this is about your, which one? This emulsion, you can say. This is about your bituminous materials. Clear now, everyone? Clear now, everyone? Right. So how these emulsions are obtained? Tell me. How these emulsions are obtained, if you just observe. So we'll just write this point. How these emulsions are obtained? Yeah, tell me, Supriya. How these emulsions are obtained? There are two processes. I'm not going to explain that. Just note down these processes only. Immiscible means not mixable. Okay. Immiscible means not mixable. Right. I said that at the time also, no? Yeah, Pawan also said that. Emulsions are obtained by what? By which process? Two processes. Right. So first one is what? What is the first one, you can say? Dispersion. So dispersion, right? This is most commonly used method, right? This is your most commonly used method. Why it is a commonly used method, you can say? Fluxed means mixed only. Yes, fluxed means mixed only, right? This is your most commonly used, since it is effective. Sorry, since it is which one? This efficient and what? Yes, efficient and less cost. Efficient and less cost. Whenever it is efficient and less cost, it is better we have to use this definitely, na? It is better we have to use this definitely or not? Whichever is less cost and whichever is efficient automatically. Now condensation. Yes, Supriya, fluxing means mixing only. I said already. Yeah, condensation. And what is the condensation? You can say condensation. It is mostly used or it is less used. You can say not commonly used. Okay. Okay, that's it, right? That is about your bituminous mix, bituminous materials, right? So next class on which one? So next quick revision. Today is 18th or 19th? Today is 18th, na? Okay. So next quick revision on which date? Next quick revision on which date you can say? Next quick revision on this 20th, right? 24, 24, yeah, 24, 24 at which one? Same 8:30 a.m. Okay, same. Tomorrow, what is that you are having? Tomorrow, live test. So don't miss that live test. Tomorrow, live test at which one? This 8:30 a.m. in special class, right? SC. It is not in YT, it is SC. No. Tomorrow live test will be there. That is what I am writing, Shruti, already. Tomorrow live test at which one? This 8:30 a.m. in special class, right? 8:30 a.m. in which one? This is special class. Okay? Right, shall I close? Shall I close the session? I'll be closing the session. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you. Why 10? What is 10? Oh, tomorrow you are going for votes. Yeah, yeah. In Tamil Nadu it is there, na? What shall I do? Shall I not schedule the class then? Okay, let it be. We'll see. Whatever it is possible. Okay, thank you. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you. Tomorrow in live test again we'll meet.